There are three ways to look at a function and be able to tell that it is a function. One is with an equation, one is using a table, and one is using a graph. So how can we tell if they're linear just by looking at these three? Okay, the equation, y equals x plus 2. How do I know this is linear? Well, I can put it in y equals mx plus b form. And it already is in y equals mx plus b form, so I know that that's linear. Okay, the second way is by using a table, and I put tables going both directions. But let's say I have my input, I'm going to do, say I do -2. If I put -2 in there, my output is 0. If I put in a -1, my output is 1. If I put in a 0, my output is 2. So hopefully you see the pattern. So as I go up by ones, okay, this is also going up in the same increments. So this is all going up by 1. Okay, there aren't any changes. This is also going up by 1. Now they don't have to be the same. If I had 2x plus 2 and I put in a -2, then that would be 2 times -2 plus 2. This is -4 plus 2. This is a -2. If I put in a -1, okay, I would have -2 plus 2 is a 0. If I put in 0, then I would have 2. Okay, so these are going up by 1. Okay, so these are adding up. Each one is being added by 1. These, however, are being added by 2. So it doesn't matter what it's being added by, okay, as long as they're consistent. And most of the time, your x values are always going to go up by 1. All right, lastly, we have a graph. And I just kept these up here. So these are coordinates. Okay, this is -2, 0. So I have -2, 0. I have -1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, etc. And when I connect all of those, I have a line. So that's how we can tell if it's linear by a graph. It looks like a line. Okay, that's it. That's what I have for you today. I know it's really short and simple, and here's your homework. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know.